There's going to be a quick video on replacing that front headlight on the Kia Sorento. There's a 2016, and as you can see, the low beam headlight has gone out. Let's get right into it. So here's the replacement part that we'll be getting. It's the H11 bulb. So you can choose the basic, the extra vision, the silver star, or the silver star ultra, as well as another different brand. But as long as it's the H11 bulb, that's all that really matters. So right here you could tell that depending on how much light you want down road or clarity, you could go with the higher price one or lower price one depending on how much light you want. So me personally, I just went with this one, but you don't have to, as long as again it's the H11 bulb. So let's go ahead and install it real quick. So now in order to remove it, you're gonna have to find this cover, which is this round one, and you turn it counterclockwise. As you can see, it opened it up and you can see the light bulb right inside right there. To remove the light bulb, all you're gonna do is turn that counterclockwise as well, like half a turn, and then it should release and pop out. So let's go ahead and do that. There you have it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna push these two little clips here, push in, which will open it up, and then we'll pull the light bulb out. Just like that. One thing I also forgot to mention is that it's recommended that you replace both of them at the same time. Obviously over time, one of them loses its strength and you'll have one stronger than the other. So might as well just replace both at the same time. Also, do not touch the glass because of your oils on your skin will actually stay on this bulb, and those oils will heat it up and make these bulbs go out a lot faster. So now replacement is pretty simple. All we're going to do is we're going to plug the light bulb back into the clip. So let's go ahead and do that. So all you got to do here is push it in, wait for the click. Once it clicks, we're just going to put it right back inside, and same way as before, we're going to put it in the same way it came out, and then give it a quarter of a turn clockwise. And there we have it. So we kind of got it in there at the 9 o'clock and then twisted it up to the 12 o'clock position. Next step will just be putting the cover back on. What you gotta do is find the little slots where these little notches go in. Once you find the little notches, it pushes in. Make sure it's all the way in, and then just turn it clockwise. And it'll lock in place. So there we have it. Now we're gonna test it out, see if it worked. So there you go. Pretty quick, easy 5-minute job. Something that the dealer will probably charge you about 80 bucks for, which you can do for anywhere from $10 to $30 depending on which bulb you get. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks.